Do you want to know a new secret website that can give you cash so incredibly easy? You will definitely have to try it so you will believe me that it is actually possible. I am telling you, you will be able to make thousands of dollars with this brand new and unique method that I will be teaching you today. Hurry before word gets out about this website. Hello and welcome to the Money Kings, where we provide new videos about how to make the most money from your phone or a laptop in the comfort of your home. Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you will never miss out on any tips or tricks we have to show you about all the awesome and legit ways to make money online. Imagine what you could do or where you could go with this financial freedom. It is available worldwide, so no matter where you want to visit, you can get paid with your first $100 from your favorite spot. I am here today to help you with your first step to achieve all of your biggest dreams. Okay, if you are ready for this step-by-step tutorial, then here we go. I promise you will not need to have any computer skills or know how to code or pay for any extra fees. You will first need to go to youtube.com and search workout videos. There are hundreds of videos about this topic that you can use. Everyone is trying to feel better and look better, so there are going to be plenty of options and plenty of viewers. We are going to pause on that thought, and I am going to show you a new website that is called UII.io. With this website, you are actually going to make your link for your favorite videos that you discovered on YouTube. And you will be shortening that link to make it unique and your own. The step-by-step process is actually really easy. You will need to create an account, then shorten your links, and when people click on your links, you will get paid. So obviously, first you will have to create an account. Click in the top right corner where it says sign up free. Just as it says, creating an account is 100% free for you today and forever. This whole process is free for you with no hidden charges or processing fees that they don't tell you right away. Just like what they say, free cash is the best cash. If you want, you can click at the top of the homepage where it says payout rates to see how much money per click you will get from various countries. It's really interesting to see, and you can target some of your video ideas to those countries that pay higher payout rates. So really, all our tactic is that you want to shorten a link and get people to click it over and get more and more money into your PayPal account. It really is as simple as it sounds. Okay, so next, after signing up for your account, you will need to go back to YouTube and find the first video you would like to share. Pick the popular topic, and today we will be using fitness or workout videos. Then, find a video that you think other people will want to watch as well. After you click on the video, you want to share it. You will also want to click on the share button. After clicking on this button, you will want to copy the video link. You're not going to be sharing this link with a friend or anything though. Once it is copied, you will need to go back to UII.io to shorten it. Once you have your account created, you will be at your dashboard. On the left side, there is a button that says New Shorten Link. That will open up a spot that you can shorten your YouTube link that you just copied. So you will paste it where it says your URL here. Where it says alias, you can just type in fitness and then you can click the button below it that says shorten. Then it will automatically shorten your link for you below it. You, of course, can pick any popular topic that is more specific to your own interest or hobbies. Anything that will help you achieve your goals and succeed. Now, we are on the final step. The website we will be going to is where people upload documents or slides or anything that they are trying to share to other people. Interestingly enough, it is called slideshare.net. On this website, you will again need to create an account that you will be using to share your newly created link for people to click on. You can create your account once again for absolutely free when you click on the button that says sign up in the top right corner of the home screen. After you have created your account, all you need to do now is click on the upload button, which is also at the top of the homepage. When you click on that button, it will take you to a page that will let you upload your file. So now you are going to create a PDF file that will be like your own little advertisement for your YouTube shortened link that you created. So you will need to make it about your topic and the video that you choose. Now you will need to be creative to figure out a way to make people click on your link. You need to think of an attention grabber or maybe think about what would get you to click on that link. Which is also why I mentioned grabbing a video that a lot of people would enjoy because it's more likely that they will click on your link. You are going to want hundreds of people clicking on your link to get lots and lots of money. After you have created your PDF, you are going to go back to slideshare.net and click the button to upload the file onto the website. SlideShare is becoming increasingly popular. This is actually a very great way to make money because people are going to this website to learn about new topics and get better at things. So even though you are getting paid, you are actually doing a great service for someone who is actually trying to find the video you are sharing and trying to get a better view at whatever topic you choose. And in the meantime, you are getting a little bit of compensation for doing a good deed. Anyways, here at Money Kings, we are here to help you maximize your income. So what you are going to want to do is repeat this process over and over to create more links and post more videos that you will share on this website. After doing this a few times, you will know what catchphrases will create more clicks to your links and you will be able to optimize your listings. All right, and that is it for today. Make sure you like this video if it gave you a new way to earn a little extra cash. Subscribe to Money Kings and we will keep you updated on the easiest way to earn money online from the comfort of your home, on the side, or for a little bit of fun money. Don't forget to click the notification bell as well so you can be the first to know. Thank you for watching and we will see you next time.